Black sapote, often called the chocolate pudding fruit, is a tropical delicacy that surprises anyone tasting it for the first time. Despite its name, it is not related to the common sapote varieties like mamey, but is actually a species of persimmon, scientifically known as Diospyros digyna. Native to Mexico, Central America, and parts of the Philippines, it thrives in warm, humid climates and grows on evergreen trees that can reach up to 25 meters in height. The unripe fruit is bright green and firm, with a taste so bitter and astringent that it is almost inedible. However, once fully ripe, its skin darkens to an olive brown shade, and the inside turns into a soft, dark chocolate brown pulp with a smooth, custard-like texture and a mild, sweet flavor that many compare to chocolate pudding. This unique transformation makes it a fascinating fruit for culinary enthusiasts. It can be eaten fresh with a spoon or used as a healthy substitute for cocoa in desserts, smoothies, ice creams, and even baked goods. Unlike actual chocolate, black sapote is very low in fat and caffeine-free, making it suitable for those avoiding stimulants. It is also rich in vitamin C, offering up to 4 times the amount found in an orange, and provides beneficial amounts of vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber. The fruit's low glycemic index and antioxidant content make it a nutritious option for promoting digestion, boosting immunity, and supporting skin health. Harvesting black sapote requires patience, as picking it too early will result in an unpleasant taste. Farmers typically wait until the skin becomes soft and slightly wrinkled before it is ready to eat. In tropical regions, the fruit can ripen naturally on the tree, but in some cases, it is picked mature but unripe, allowing it to soften off the tree in a few days. Its delicate texture makes it unsuitable for long-distance shipping when fully ripe, which is why it remains relatively unknown outside its growing regions. The black sapote has an almost mythical reputation among fruit lovers due to its dessert-like qualities and nutritional benefits. In some cultures, it is considered a festive treat, enjoyed during holidays and special gatherings. Creative cooks often blend it with honey, vanilla, or coconut cream to enhance its natural sweetness, while health-conscious eaters embrace it as a guilt-free indulgence. For gardeners in suitable climates, it is a rewarding tree to grow, offering not only an exotic taste experience but also lush green foliage and seasonal fruit that sparks curiosity and delight. In the world of tropical fruits, black sapote stands out as nature's own chocolate pudding, an unexpected gift that proves healthy food can also be decadently delicious.